Are you constantly getting signed out of the MyRogers app? You're not alone. This is a common issue, often linked to problems with the app's cache or session management. The good news is there are several steps you can take to mitigate this annoyance. First, ensure you're running the latest version of the app, version 7.8.0 or later, released around August 2025. If updating doesn't solve the problem, try manually clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, MyRogers, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iOS, you might need to offload or reinstall the app. Also, make sure you have stable network connectivity and sufficient storage space on your device, as these can also trigger auto logouts. The Stay Logged In option in the app settings isn't always reliable, but it's worth enabling. If problems persist, force stopping the app and restarting your device can sometimes help refresh the session. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the auto logout problem, consider more advanced solutions. Check for OS updates, as Android 15 or iOS 18 may have compatibility issues. Some users have reported success after a factory reset, but this is a last resort due to the inconvenience of reinstalling all your apps. Stay informed about future app updates, as Rogers is actively working on permanent fixes, including AI-driven solutions for predictive maintenance and cache corruption detection. Experts suggest that hybrid app frameworks could improve cross-platform compatibility and reduce logout rates in future versions. Rogers plans a major overhaul in 2026, focusing on biometric login to reduce session-based errors. Also, be aware of phishing risks if you're repeatedly re-entering your credentials, and always use strong, unique passwords. If you continue to experience issues, consider reporting the problem through the Rogers Community Forum or contacting their customer support, providing detailed information about your device, OS version, and app version to help them diagnose and resolve the problem more effectively. Remember, Rogers' internal data suggests 200,000 app support tickets were logged for auto logouts, so it's a major issue they are attempting to solve.